Okay, some more behind the scenes. Up here are all of the videos I just made to the editor, cutting the front and the back off, adding some B-roll to them. The electric whiskey smoker. Okay, download the electric whiskey smoker to the computer. Come over to Amazon. Come over to create content. Post a video. Okay, then you upload the video like normal, electric whiskey smoker. But you're going to notice the tag for the ASINs, and down here you got some upload shortcuts. We're going to get those in a second. So while it's uploading, we're going to add a product. And I always go to my idea lists. That's how I keep things organized. There it is. Now I'm going to open it up to get the parent ASIN. There it is. So we're going to download the parent ASIN, go back over. I'm going to upload that here. Now that's going to, no matter what variation people choose, or if your variation goes out of stock, you'll get credit for it. You won't lose your placement on the carousel. So now I need a title, so I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to use the Amazon title because the sellers have already optimized these titles for search. Okay, now here's where the fun happens. You come down here before you hit save and upload. You go to your YouTube channel, and it automatically brings you to your YouTube channel to upload the same video. This is something I always forget to do, so I love that it has this feature. It forces me to do it right away. So again, we come over and get the title, right? Put the title, go back over. We're going to go up and get our link. Put the link right up front. I also go back over to Amazon and I'll get the description for SEO, search engine optimization of the YouTube channel. And just pop it over here, cut and paste, right? Reach out for collaborations, my Amazon shop, join my Facebook group, some hashtags, right? And your disclaimer, all there. But what we didn't do was go to auto-generated thumbnails. Let that happen. All right, you just grab one of these, whichever one you think is good. Come down, you want to put it in a playlist, you can. Not made for kids, video contains paid promotions, always click that. It doesn't have any generated AI. Okay, now we do some tags, cocktail smoker kit review, so they know what it is. Now you have to go down, make sure you're on, this is on Creative Commons, meaning they can steal my stuff legally, so you got to make sure you're on standard YouTube license, right? Hit next. Now I'm on monetized channel, so I click monetization, and they're going to ask me to check. It's going to ask me that if I have any problems here, adult content, violence, drug use, anything like that. None of the above. Submit the rating. Now you always want to add an end screen, and that'll pop up a video and a subscribe at the end of your video. Then it's ready to post. Checks are made, checks are done. Make it public. Publish. So now it's on YouTube. Now what I do is I take this, copy it, and I go to my Facebook page, Daily Deals with Jim, and I just post it here. Okay, so now it's on Facebook, it's on YouTube. Go back to Amazon. Before we hit save and submit, you can also go to the uploads to the British, the English, and the Canadian, right? England and Canadian, the UK and the CA storefronts, and do the same thing you just did with the YouTube channel and upload everything over there for the other storefronts. And there you are, you're all submitted. That's how easy it is with Viral Vue to submit to all those places at once.